Welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP OfficeJet Pro 8025E, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable the quiet mode or how to disable this mode on this device. Firstly, you should open the control panel and click on Setup button. Then find here Quiet Mode and enable it. In this mode, your printer will work more quiet, but printing process will be slower than usual. Of course, you can schedule this mode. So, for example, to print in quiet mode only between, I don't know, only in evening hours, for example, or night hours, if you need to print something at night. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, so leave me a like and comment. Bye, see you.